Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best chili mixes is probably one of the most versatile and flavorful ways to create a hearty and delicious chili. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, chili mixes offer a convenient and customizable approach to crafting the perfect bowl of chili. From mild to fiery, these mixes provide a symphony of flavors that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. Number 5. Carroll SHELBY'S Chili Kit, Pack of 8. This chili kit lets you control the heat. It includes seasoning packets for mild or spicy chili. It's gluten-free and makes 6 servings. Crafted by Carroll SHELBY, this kit helps you make real Texas-style chili at home. The bold flavors are sure to impress. Use this mix for more than just chili. It's great for burgers, tacos, salads, and more. Perfect for any occasion. Each kit has unique flavors with individual seasoning packets. Experiment with tomatillo, poblano salsa, or quick chili mole. You can customize it to your liking. In 1967, Carroll SHELBY started the first chili cook-off in Terlingua, Texas. What began as a party became a world-famous championship. Now, you can enjoy his legacy. What we like. This chili kit brings the authentic taste of Texas right to your kitchen. It allows you to customize the spice level to your preference, ensuring it's perfect for everyone. If you are looking for a gluten-free option that doesn't compromise on flavor, you should consider this. What people say. Great base for chili. It adds the perfect punch. Easy to make a delicious chili. Number 4. Carroll SHELBY'S Chili Kit 3-Pack. This chili kit lets you control the heat. It includes individual seasoning packets of cayenne and masa flour, so you can make it mild or spicy. It's gluten-free and makes 6 servings. Crafted by Carroll SHELBY himself, this kit brings authentic Texas-style chili to your kitchen. It's a bold and flavorful experience, perfect for any occasion. This mix isn't just for chili. Use it for burger toppings, tacos, salads, and more. It's great for everyday meals, parties, and barbecues. Each kit offers sophisticated flavors with customizable seasoning. Try it for tomatillo, poblano salsa, quick chili mole, and more. It's easy to make and delicious. In 1967, Carroll SHELBY started the first chili cook-off. What began as a party became an annual championship. Now, you can enjoy the same great taste. What we like. This chili kit brings the authentic taste of Texas right to your kitchen. It allows you to customize the spice level to your preference, ensuring it's perfect for everyone. If you are looking for a gluten-free option that doesn't compromise on flavor, you should consider this. What people say. Great base for chili. It adds the perfect punch. Easy to make a delicious chili. Number 3. French's Chili-O Seasoning Mix, 1.75 ounces. This is French's Chili-O Seasoning Mix. It's a chili seasoning mix that includes chili pepper, paprika, and onion powder. It's perfect for making delicious chili. Save time with this seasoning mix. It helps you make homemade chili in just 20 minutes. It's a quick and easy way to enjoy a hearty meal. This product contains no added MSG. You can enjoy the authentic flavors without any artificial additives. It's a healthier choice for your family. Combine this seasoning with ground beef or turkey, tomato, and kidney beans. It's simple to prepare and tastes amazing. You'll love the rich, savory flavor. It's great for nachos, mac and cheese, and chili fries too. It adds a burst of flavor to many dishes. Try it and see how versatile it is. What we like. This seasoning mix is all about convenience, making delicious chili in just 20 minutes. It's incredibly versatile, perfect for nachos, mac and cheese, and chili fries. If you're short on time but still want a flavorful meal, this is the one for you. What people say. Heat level is perfect, not mild, not too hot. It is not a fiery chili, nor a very mild batch. I make sort of in the middle. It made my sauce just like a sauce I had when a child. Number 2. Real Texas Chili Seasoning Spice Mix, 3 ounce, 4-pack. Experience the true taste of Texas with this chili seasoning mix. It's a blend of spices that will bring the bold and authentic flavors of Texas chili to your kitchen. This pack includes 4 3-ounce packets, perfect for multiple meals or gatherings. It's easy to use and provides consistent flavor every time. Simply add this seasoning to your ground meat and other ingredients. It's a quick and easy way to create a delicious chili that everyone will love. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a game day party, this chili seasoning is a crowd pleaser. It's a versatile spice mix that elevates any chili recipe. Bring the authentic taste of Texas to your table. This seasoning captures the essence of traditional Texas chili, delivering a rich and satisfying flavor. What we like. This mix delivers the true taste of Texas chili with an authentic spice blend. It's not just for chili, you can use it to spice up various dishes. If you like a bold, traditional chili flavor and want a versatile spice mix, this is a great choice. What people say. No need to add any spices, it has just the right amount of heat. Very flavorful. The best chili spices I've ever used before, and now I won't even consider making chili unless I have Texas chili seasoning available. Excellent product. Number 1. McCormick Original Chili Seasoning Mix, 22 ounces. This seasoning mix is an expertly blended combination of chili pepper, paprika, cumin, onion, and garlic. It's the perfect blend to create a delicious chili. Made with McCormick spices, this mix contains no MSG or artificial flavors. You can trust the quality and taste of this product. Enjoy the perfect level of heat with this award-winning chili seasoning. Every box guarantees a flavorful and satisfying meal. Create a homemade meal in just 20 minutes, any night of the week. It makes cooking easy and convenient. Did you know this mix isn't just for chili? You can also use it to liven up baked beans, burgers, dips, and more. It's a versatile ingredient for various dishes. What we like. This mix offers an expertly blended combination of spices, delivering award-winning chili flavor. It's a quick meal solution, ready in just 20 minutes. If you want a consistently delicious chili that's easy to make any night of the week, you should consider this. What people say. McCormick Original Chili Seasoning Mix delivers a balanced blend of spices that makes chili rich and flavorful without being overpowering. It's quick, consistent, and always tastes like homemade comfort food. This is the best chili seasoning. I usually make chili twice a month in the winter with ground turkey, and this adds such a nice flavor to it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.